Alright guys, I'm going to show you what this clutch is doing in this Jeep, and you can watch my hood. It's got that little clutch chatter. Do it again. And that it gets worse. That's not as bad as it gets. So today I'm doing another clutch job. Alright guys, I'm not going to bore you with another long video of me taking out the transmission and putting the clutch in. I'm going to put it on time lapse. I am going to keep time of how long it takes me to do it. I think I can do it a lot faster this time. My goal is to have the transmission out of the Jeep in an hour. And the clutch that I purchased this time is a LUK Clutch, which is the clutch that is a go-to clutch for these Jeep TJs. I did not know that when I bought the cheap Chinese one, and I have removed the Chinese clutch from the other link and replaced it with a LUK clutch because I didn't know, but the LUK clutch, it only cost me like $10 more to get the clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, the whole setup. So that's what I'm putting in today, and let's get to it. Well, I met my goal on my transmission. I started at 7/16 and I ended up having it sitting on the floor at 8/14. I want to inspect the arm that the throwout bearing rides on. I'm going to look at it and make sure it's not bent, and get to putting this thing back together. Here's the kit that I got. This is the LUK pressure plate and clutch disc, and I also have the LUK flywheel. So this is what I'm going to be putting in, and I'm fixing to go clean those off right now. Okay, this is my old flywheel. You can see it's got a hot spot over here and like no wear at all over there. Same thing on the pressure plate. Hot spot over here, nothing over here. These things are just not made right. So anyway, the LUK kit is supposed to be the kit for the Jeep TJ, and I'm going to be putting that in. The one thing I'm not sure about, it comes with a kind of a hybrid bearing. It's a throwout bearing. It's got a little bit of composite material in it, but most people say that it's just fine. I'm trying it. It's what comes in the kit. That's supposed to be the kit for the Jeep. And I'll let you know if that bearing fails. I don't expect it to. So it took me 1 hour to drop the transmission, and it took me 1 hour and 50 minutes to put it back in, get everything buttoned back up. I'm gonna go and clean up some of this off my hands because I am nasty. I gotta put up all these tools I've got laying everywhere. Alright guys, I'm fixing to give it a try. I haven't even started the Jeep yet, so I'll find out right here in the garage. It don't take. Smooth as silk. That's exactly what I needed. Well guys, I've been driving a Jeep around for a little while now, and that has absolutely fixed my Jeep. It don't have any more of the chatter anymore. I'm just gonna pull it in the garage now. But, I mean, it's just so smooth. And that's the way I wanted it when I put the last clutch in. Well guys, I hate I had 2 videos in a row that's about replacing your clutch, but anyway, I didn't want to do that big of a job and not tell you why I was doing it, going through the trouble of doing it again because of the clutch chatter on the cheaper clutch. So anyway, I'm gonna leave the link to this clutch down in the description below. And if you want to support my channel, clicking the Amazon links I put down below is a good way to support my channel. Even if you don't buy anything, it still is a good way to support my channel, and it don't cost you anything more to click on those links. And the products you buy through those links, whether you buy the products I linked or something else, don't cost you anything more, but it will give me a small commission. And I thank y'all for stopping by today and watching. Y'all come back next time, we'll see what we got going in.